Understanding the exhaust pipe, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of a common phrase in English, exhaust pipe. This term is often used in everyday conversation, especially when talking about vehicles. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. An exhaust pipe is a part of a vehicle's exhaust system. It's a tube that carries exhaust gases from the engine to the outside air. These gases are byproducts of the engine's combustion process, and the exhaust pipe helps to safely release them away from the vehicle. Understanding this term is crucial when discussing car maintenance or environmental issues related to vehicles. The exhaust pipe plays several important roles. 1. Reduces pollution. It helps to reduce environmental pollution by directing harmful gases away from the car and passengers. 2. Noise reduction. It assists in muffling engine noise, contributing to a quieter driving experience. 3. Improves engine performance. By efficiently removing exhaust gases, it ensures the engine runs smoothly. In everyday conversation, I need to get my car's exhaust pipe checked. It's making a strange noise. In technical contexts, the new model features an advanced exhaust pipe design for better emission control. Environmental discussions. Emissions from the exhaust pipe are a significant source of air pollution. Not just for cars. While commonly associated with cars, exhaust pipes are also found in motorcycles, trucks, and even some machinery. Different from tailpipe. Sometimes confused with the tailpipe, which is the visible part at the end of the exhaust system. The exhaust pipe is the entire tube leading to the tailpipe. I hope this video has helped you understand what an exhaust pipe is and why it's important. Remember, this term is not just for mechanics. It's a useful part of the English vocabulary, especially when talking about vehicles and the environment. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!